Lawyers for Kouri Richins, the children's book writer accused of killing her husband with fentanyl, argued before the Utah Supreme Court today.
The attorneys believe a trial judge's decision to allow potential jurors to be selected from several counties needs to be upheld. ABC4's Kate Garner has more.
Not only that, but the trial judge also decided that this case is an extraordinary one. And because of that, he suggests that the jury selection process be done in person rather than digitally, as is the standard procedure.
And the presiding judge's interpretation and application of the standing order interferes with that right in this instance.
But the presiding judge in the 3rd District struck down that decision.
An impartial jury is as essential to a fair trial as is an impartial judge.
As the case moves forward toward trial, both Kouri Richins' team and prosecuting attorneys are focused on the jury.
Media attention here is an extraordinary circumstance that justifies in-person voir dire.
To find the right jurors, they're asking the selection process be held in person.
Each juror needs to make an honest and independent assessment of the facts before it, and that media pressures can not only create a distraction, it can even subtly influence the way that people view the action that they're taking when they realize it's going to be subject to intense scrutiny.
Kouri Richins' husband died in 2022. Afterwards, she published a children's book on grief. Then, in 2023, she was arrested, accused of killing her husband with poison. Her case has garnered national attention. For this reason, the defense and prosecution both believe jurors need to be selected in person.
But that's not all. The state has a strong interest in trying this aggravated murder case in the community with the closest connection to where these alleged events occurred.
To do that,
and we have waived any requirement that jurors be selected from the county in which the trial will be held.
But the district court does not agree.
Neither party has raised a claim that the standing order itself or Judge Scott's denial of an exception to the standing order in this case infringes a statutory or constitutional right.
And asks the Supreme Court to drop the case.
A preference and an unsupported legal conclusion doesn't warrant this court's continued attention.
Oral arguments have wrapped up and the Supreme Court justices are taking the case into consideration. Now Rich's team asks that a decision be made by February 21st. Reporting from Salt Lake City, Kate Garner, ABC4 News.